हेलो माय ट्राइब एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल निफ्टी नेहल। मेरा नाम है नेहा और आज के वीडियो में हम क्रिएट करने वाले हैं क्लीन मेकअप लुक which is a lot spoken about and created out there. And another special thing about today's video is that I am going to be following one of my very favorite YouTuber and content creator, Shreya Jain. I'm sure a lot of you already would have heard about her and seen her channel. If you haven't, I'll put a link to her channel and this specific video that I'm talking about in the description box. Do check it out. So आज का वीडियो है following Shreya Jain's clean makeup look video that she recently posted on her YouTube channel. I have been following her channel for quite some time, a lot of years now. I really like her content. The kind of videos that she create resonate with my style so much. And यही सोचकर I thought why not to follow her video step by step. And if you're really interested in seeing how we are going to working towards creating a clean makeup look, then join me for the video. So the first thing that she did was to start with the primer oil from Colorbar. I don't have that product. A lot of products that we are going to replace, I'm going to be following very similar products. जो भी मेरे पास हैं उसे replace करके I'm going to be using them. So for primer, I'll be using a product from Colorbar. She also used a primer oil from Colorbar, but this is a different oil. This is the cellular dry oil. So मैं ये use करके I am going to be priming my skin here. So she took the product in her hands and just rubbed it to warm it up, and then she dabbed it in her skin. So we will be doing the same, and I'm just pressing it into my skin. I usually follow the same technique. I avoid rubbing the products on my skin, especially the serums and oils. It's very easy. When you press them into the skin, they penetrate very, very well and gives you a very kind of a nice look. So this is how my skin looks right now. It's really hydrating and moisturizing. So right after priming her skin, she moved on to using a foundation. She was using the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I don't have that product as well, but I will be using this foundation. I'll be replacing it. This is the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. She said that she preferred using K Beauty Foundation because it has a very light kind of a texture to it, not very heavy, not a very full coverage foundation, and the same kind of properties this foundation also has to offer. This is very, very light on the skin, and that is why I am using this one. So she took the foundation on back of her hand, and the same thing we are gonna do. I have taken the foundation here on the back of my hand and I am rubbing it here and then making it dots of it all over my face. We are following her tutorial step by step, and we'll just see what kind of look it gives. So I have put all the foundation here on my face. I've dotted it around. The next interesting thing that she did was that she used a makeup setting spray. She also used Prep and Prime from MAC. I have the same product here, and I'm going to be spraying it on my face. Next, taking a makeup sponge and spreading the product all around the face. After the foundation, she used a highlighting concealer and she made it optional, but I'm going to follow the way she did in the entire tutorial. So we are going to be using a highlighter concealer here. I don't have the same concealer, but I'll be using this one. This is the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer. This is again lighter than my regular my skin tone. So I will be putting it in the inner corner and a little bit on the nose, forehead, and on the chin. So these are the regular areas where I prefer highlighting, and I'll be doing the same using my sponge. I'll just blend it around. So next into the look, she used a couple of more cream products, and she moved on to using a cream contour from Huda Beauty. We don't have the product here, but I have another cream contour. This is from Maybelline. On one side it has a contour stick, and using this I will be contouring my regular areas. So here and around my forehead and a little around my nose as well. Now again, the way she used her sponge to blend everything out, I'll be doing the same. This product is again very creamy and easy to blend, and I like the finish of it. I'll be pushing the forehead contour into the hairline and not bringing it too much towards the forehead. Further in the row, she ended up using a cream blush. We don't have the same product, but we do have a cream blush. This is from Just Herbs. It's a very similar pink shade that she used in the video. So again, I will be using my beauty blender, dunking it into the product and applying it right at the apples of my cheek, the way she did. The blush is done, and I'm really liking the way the blush is applied with the beauty sponge. I think I'll be using this technique in future also. After blush on, she ended up using a strobe cream. She used strobe cream from PAC, which was in some golden shade. I don't have the same product, but I have this one. This is from L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Illuminator. This is also has golden reflexes to it. So I will be using this one. This is something like this. She took it in her hand, warmed the product again behind her hand, and then applied it on the high points of her cheek, taking it to her brow bone. I'm doing the same. Once this was done, she took her beauty sponge and just moved it around to give a very finished look. After that, she also applied a little bit of product on the nose and on the cupid's bow and on chin, and again going ahead and setting it with the beauty sponge. I think the kind of glow it gives is very subtle and natural, and I'm liking it. I'm gonna add a little bit more on my cheeks. Yeah, and finally what she did is whatever was left on hand, she took it on her beauty blender and just moved it around all over the face. I don't know, I have never ever tried these techniques before. Just let's see how it really performs. So after we are done with the highlighter, it was time to lock in everything using a powder, and she used compact from Rimmel. I will be using my MAC Studio Fix. I'll be taking a powder brush, very little product, and I will be setting my under eyes. And the rest of my face using it. So next step, we'll be doing our eyebrows. I'm using this product from Benefit. This is Give Me Brow. She used a very similar product, and I'm gonna be using this to just shape my eyebrows. So another thing that she did after doing the eyebrows was to clean the under eye area, and I'll be using the same compact, taking it on a flat brush, and I'm going to be cleaning the eyebrows. So after eyebrows, she used the same contour product from Huda Beauty to put a little bit of depth on the eyes. I don't have a similar compact, so I will be moving on to Kohl pencil. This one is from Pack. This is in the color coffee brown, and using this I will be putting it as a liner. And before it dries, it also comes with a smudger on the back side. I'm gonna smudge and soften this line. So once this is done, I'm also gonna create a small flick in the end, very, very softly. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other eye and come back. So for mascara, she used something from Mars. I don't have it. I'll be using my favorite trusty lash sensational from Maybelline to coat my lashes. So mascara is done. I have thrice coated my lashes, and lastly we are left with lips. For lips, she used MAC Soar. I have the same lip liner. I'll be lining my lips using this. And she also filled in her lips using the same liner, so I'm doing the same here. So that's done. I will be topping my lips. I don't have a lip oil. I'll be topping my lips with this lip gloss from Dior, and this is again a very beautiful lip oil. So here we are done with the clean girl makeup look, step to step following the way Shreya Jain did her makeup. And I'm quite happy with how it turned out to be. The best and the most unique and new thing that I learned today is the highlighter technique. I really like the way she warmed up the product in her hand and used it with a makeup sponge. I think that's given a very, very nice soft kind of a glow to the skin. I really enjoyed making this tutorial and following one of my most favorite YouTuber. I hope you also got some ideas about creating such a look that you can easily carry on a regular day, going to office, going to college. And that's it from my side today. If you are new to my channel, if you have landed up for the very first time here, don't forget to subscribe, give a like and a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed watching it. And that's it from my side. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.